So today we're going to show you how to make a bird out of wool. So you need the wool, whatever size you want, you need to cut out of here. If you want it short, you do so. If you want doubles or whatever. I have made a tutorial on this where you make hair, pom-poms and such, or you can go and look at, but the easy way to show you is for this. I went round like this 40 times. Oops. Oh, gosh. I went round like that 40 times with the wool. And then cut both ends. And that's how I got these. There. So each one has 40 strips in it. You keep a little bit of spare wool for each of these. You need some small elastic bands like these. Hold the wool together. It's a nuisance to tie them when you're messing about with their wool. I've got a few there. I've got 2 little pieces of foam for the beak. And I've got some pins, black pinheads, there for the eyes. So I'll start by putting a glue gun on. So you need glue gun, scissors, the things I've just told you about. May need a lighter. That's all really. And scissors and some paper out your bin. This is where I've picked this up today. Hopefully it'll go in nicely for the shape of the bird. So I'll move the pink one there. Now the blue and yellow, the blue and white, just cross them straight over like that, and then bring the blue one over there. So once you've got that done and this, that's what you're looking at. So you put your blue elastic on first. It doesn't really matter what colour you put on actually. And then you put a white one on. Have the white, you have the blue. So you've got your scrap piece of paper, you've got them two put together. Now this one, it's going to put across there for now. We'll turn it around because you want the white this side. So we'll put that there. So we're going to put this on the white. No, we're going to put this on the blue. And bring the white one over. Like that. I'm just ignoring this pink for now. Get the wool and the blue, the white and the blue together. Get the bird inside there. Make sure it's right up. Cover the white with it. You can mess about with it, and you know, until you get it to where you want it to be. Quite easy. Bit more hanging out there. So then you want another elastic to put this there. Do that one a bit tighter. So then we bring the pink one over. I've done there. Not wrong. That's it. So we'll bring the pink one over this way. and one over this way like that. I'll straighten it all up. Same here. There you go, it's all there going through, all nice and straight. Now you need a pink elastic. And that's when you're going to go to. I'm going to put some wool on here anyway. Wrap it round a few times. So if you loop it through twice, there you go, turn it round, loop it through twice again, you'll find it stays in nice and tight for you. There you go, and just let that go down there. So here we have the bird, as you can see how it's turned out. So now we're just going to straighten everything out. There we go, there's all of it, it's all straightened up. So now we bring the two eyes over and the beak. It's all perfectly straight, we've got the nice little face there. So we'll put some glue here. Put the first eye in. And some here of the second eye. Oh, it's beautiful. It's very nice, cute. Right, so we open up there a little bit here, the wool, sorry, and put the beak in there. Not big, it's a little bit big. I'm going to pull it out and do it again. I'm going to put this glue on the beak, bring the better that way. This isn't on the stern today. Try again. There we go, that one's perfect. So there's your little bed. Doesn't take long to make. You can put it on strings from the ceiling, or you can make some rings for the bed to go in and make 2 lovebirds. You hope you enjoyed that tutorial. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you.